A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain how to find the Zbus matrix using bus building algorithm. Bus building algorithm. Here this is the problem given. This power system consists of 3 buses, 1, 2 and 3 plus a reference bus also. With respect to 3 buses, our Zbus matrix will be 3 cross 3 matrix. Now I am going to explain how to find out the Zbus matrix using bus building algorithm. First, step number 1. In step number 1, have considered as the bus number 1 that is connected to the reference bus. The value equal to 1.2. So how to write the equation Zbus matrix? Zbus consists of only one element. So that element is J1.2. This Zbus is known as, Zbus element Z11. This is a 1 cross 1 matrix. And next I am going to explain the step number 2. So in step number 2, already we are having one bus that is connected to the reference bus through one element. The value of the impedance is J1.2. Again, another one element is connected to the bus 3. The element value is 0.2. So this is the new bus. So old bus is connected to the new bus. Order of the matrix is increased to 1. Order is increased to 1. Already we have 1 cross 1 matrix. Now the Zbus should be 2 cross 2 matrix. Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. The same element I am going to write is for Z11. So Z11 is what? J1.2. Now the same element is copied to the next row, again J1.2. The same element is copied to the next column, J1.2. And next, the third element is, you have to calculate the third element. How to calculate this? Z22 equal to, that is J1.2. J1.2 means Z11 plus ZB. Okay, this is ZB. Z11 J1.2, ZB is J.2. Now the answer is J1.4. Now I have to write the matrix again. This step number 2, Zbus equal to J1.2, 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 here J1.4. This is the step number 2. Now what is the third step? Here the bus number 3 is connected to then bus number 2 by the element J1.5. J0.15. So this is the step number 3. I am going to draw the step number 3. Element 1 is connected to the reference bus. And next, the bus 1 is connected to bus 3. Bus number 3. And next, the bus number 3 is connected to the next bus, that is bus number 2. The element value is j.2. Here the element is j0.15. Here the order of the matrix is increased by 1. Order of the matrix is increased by 1. What is the new Zbus? It consists of 9 elements or 3 cross. The matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix Z11, Z12, Z13, Z21, Z22, Z23, Z31, Z32, Z33. Have to write the same previous matrix again. J1.2, 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 J1.4. Copy these elements and paste it here. J1.2, J1.4. Here I have to copy the element and paste the third row, J1.4. Now how to find out Z33? Z33 is Z22 plus ZB. So Z22 is 1.4 and then ZB is what? J0.15. J0.15. So the answer may be J1.55. So J1.55 is the answer. Okay, this is the step number 3. Next, step number 4. So in the step number 4, first the bus number 1, bus number 1 is connected to the reference bus. Then bus number 1 is connected to the bus 3, and it is again connected to bus 2. Up to this you have completed. Then next the last 2 is there. Here bus 2 is connected to the reference bus. The value is J1.5. Here J0.15, J0.2, J1.2. So what is the matrix? The matrix may be, here also the order of the matrix is increased by 1. Order is increased by 1. Now we get 4 cross 4 matrix, but our matrix order should be 3 cross 3 only. So the last row and the last column should be eliminated, because here 2 is the old bus. Here reference bus also old reference. That is, both are existing. So here we have to increase the order, but we should eliminate the rows. So I have to rewrite the Zbus. Have to write the old bus now. Old bus value J1.2, 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 then J1.2, J1.2, here J1.4, J 1.4, J 1.4, J 1.55. Okay, I have to copy down these to the next column. So J 1.2, J 1.4, J 1.55, here J 1.2, J 1.4, J 1.55. How to find out the last element? The last element is obtained by J 1.5 added with J 1.55. So 1.5, the answer is 3.05. But what I have to do? I am going to eliminate the last column and the last row. Then only we get the required matrix. These two should be eliminated. So what is the formula used for the elimination? The formula uses ZJK actual. How to remember this? This is the formula. Just put ZJK first, and next what you have to do is ZJ. Write ZJ first and n plus 1. Okay. Then Z. Here K is second, no. So you have to write in the second. Here n plus 1. Divided by Z. You have to don't use J and K. Use n plus 1 only. Z n plus 1, n plus 1. First, the value of J is 1, 2, 3. This 3 cross 3 matrix. It may take the value 1, 2, 3. K may take the value 1, 2, 3. What is n? N is the order of the matrix. That is 3. You have to take n as 3. Now I am going to calculate the values one by one. So first J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 1. Z11 actual. Z11. Okay, same you have to write. Here also Z1 4. N is 3. Z4 1. You have to cancelling this, you get Z11 only. Again this way you have to remember Z44. Okay, now I am going to substitute the value. What is Z11? J 1.2 minus Z14 is what? Z14. This one J 1.2 into what is J41? Sorry, Z41 J 1.2 again and divided by what? Z44. So Z44 is J 3.5. 3.05. So you have to cancelling this too. Then you have to use the ordinary division and multiplication to find out the answer. So the answer may be, find out the answer, have to use the calculator here. So 1.2 into 1.2 divided by 3.05, okay, 0.4721, 1 minus 1.2. The answer is 0.7278. The answer is 0.7278. That is J. Okay, this is the first value. And next, what is the next one? Z1, 2 actual. That is same. Z1, 2. Here Z1. There is no change in 4. Z2, 4. Sorry, here Z4, 2 divided by Z4, 4. That is equal to what? J 1.2 minus J 1.2. What is Z42? Z42 equal to J 1.4. J 1.4 divided by J 3.05. If we calculating this, we get J 0.649. In the similar manner, have to finish all the remaining Z13 actual equal to Z13 minus Z14 Z43 divided by Z44. Substitute the values J 1.2 Z14, there is no change. 1.2 Z43 is J 1.55 divided by J 3.05. The answer is J 0.590. Okay, and next the answer Z13 actual is over. And next Z22 actual. Have to give the answer for this. Verify this. Z22 actual is J 0.757. Then Z21 actual Z21 is equal to Z12. Already we got the answer J 0.649. And next Z23. So Z23, Z32 both are same. That is equal to J 0.689. And next calculate Z33. That is Z33 minus Z34 Z43 divided by Z44. Answer is, substitute the value J 1.55 minus J 1.55 into J 1.55 divided by J 3.05. The answer is J 0.762. So all the values are, we got all the values. So directly write the Zbus matrix. So Zbus is now the 3 cross 3 after eliminating rows and column of the matrix. So 0.728, J 0.649, J 0.590. Next J 0.649, J 0.757, here J 0.762, okay, J 0.689, and here what is this value? J 0.590, 32 equal to 2, 3 same, J 0.689. So this is the Zbus. And another one combination is there in the previous case. 1 to 3. 1 to 2 is connected. The last element is connected between 1 to 2. So now I am going to redraw the power system again. So this is the last step, step number 5. So first one is connected to the reference bus, okay, with value J 1.2. Next one is connected to the bus 2. The value is J 0.2. Again it is connected to bus number 3 with J 0.15. Next it is connected to reference bus with J 1.5. Again 1 and 3 is connected by other element J 0.3. That's all. Okay, now both the buses are old. Both the old buses are connected. Here the order of the matrix is increased by 1. Order of the matrix is increased by 1, but anyhow the last row and the last column should be eliminated. Okay, from this only I am going to write the new matrix. How to write the new matrix? First of all, I am going to write the old matrix again. So the old matrix may be, this is the old 3 cross 3 to 3 cross matrix. So from this only I am going to write the new matrix. So first of all I am going to copy down the old matrix, that is J 0.728, J 0.649, J 0.590, J 0.649, J 0.757, J 0.689, J 0.762, J 0.689, J 0.590. Okay, new matrix with order, that is 4 cross 4 matrix formed from the old matrix. 728, 0.649, J 0.590. So first of all, how to find out the fourth element, that is 1 4, is using the formula here. J28 is subtracted with J 0.590. So the answer may be J 0.138. Okay, next the same element, J 0.649, J 0.757, J 0.689. Now J 0.649 minus J 0.689, the answer may be minus 0.04. And next J 0.059, then J 0.689, J 0.762, the same. J 0.059 minus J 0.762, the value is minus J 0.172. Next, the DOS column element, the same as 728 minus 0.05, 0.59, not 0.59, 0.59, the answer is J 0.138, and then minus J 0.04, minus J 0.172. And how to find out the last element? How to find this? Using the equation Z44 equal to ZB plus Z11, Z22, Z33 minus 2Z13. So this is the equation used to find out. How to remember this? ZB, that's the element. Z11, Z23, it is the first element of the 3 cross 3. This is the last diagonal element of the 3 cross 3. Then 1 3. 2 into Z13. In this way, I have to remember this, and I have to substitute the value here. J 0.3, this is the one element, plus J 0.728, this one, and the last one, plus J 0.762 minus 2 into J into Z13, J 0.59. So what is the answer? The answer may be 0.61. So J 0.61, 0.728, J 0.649, J 0.590, J 0.138. Then the second row, J 0.649, J 0.757, J 0.689 minus J 0.04. Third row, J 0.59, J 0.689, J 0.762 minus J 0.172, J 0.172, the last one J 0.138 minus J 0.04 minus J 0.172, J 0.61. Here also I am going to eliminate the last column element and the last row. So both should be eliminated. And next, how to find out the answer? The similar manner is that Jk actual equal to is that Jk minus is that Jn plus 1 is that n plus 1 k by is that n plus 1 n plus 1. Okay, in this way it is easy to find out the Z11. So Z11 is what? J 0.697. The equation is Z11 minus Z14 Z41 divided by Z44. Substitute the value. Z11 is what? Z11 is 0.728. Z11 is 0.728. Z14 is J 0.138 and Z41 is J 0.138 and divided by the four last one is J 0.61. In this way, complete everything and finally I get the matrix Zbus. So Zbus is what? I'll give, just you have to verify the matrix. J 0.697, J 0.658, J 0.629, J 0.658, J 0.754, J 0.678, J 0.629, J 0.678, J 0.714. This is the final matrix obtained for the Zbus. Thank you. Have a nice day.